see there's a GOEC EV charging station here.
Yeah.
Do you think we should like park the car, charge it, and then go shopping?
Sure.
അതെ മാം. ഇത് മാം ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ട് വാലറ്റ് പാർക്കിംഗ് ആണ്. മാം കീ തന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി ഇത് ഫുൾ ചാർജ് ആക്കിയിട്ട് തിരിച്ചു പോകുമ്പോൾ ഹാൻഡ് ഓവർ ചെയ്യും കീ. താങ്ക് യു മാം.
Are you sure that your car is fully charged? This is one of the cool features of GOEC. Like, you just drop your car and then just leave the keys with them, and once it's done, they actually call you, and it's also updated in the app that your car is completely charged. Fine. Thank you. Oh, by the way, Kerala's first full EV charging station with Valet parking system. While buying it a whole concept, and I think Kerala's give it a concept, and I think people should come here and experience at LULU Mall Kochi of the new feature of GOEC's EV charging station.